Hey everybody, this is Fred Murphin with RedlineAutosports.com and RedlineMuscleCars.com. This is our beautiful little red 83 Chevy Short Wide. It's got new paint, new cowl hood, all new trim, brand new BFGoodrich Radial TAs, new interior, new pinstripe. Great running little 350 Chevy. All the paint is brand new all the way around it. Runs and drives great. It's got an Edelbrock carburetor, factory jack, new battery, new fan. All the AC's been completely restored, brand new. The truck was completely taken off of the frame. You look down in there, all of the front ends have been rebuilt. New shocks. The frame was powder coated and blasted. It's just beautiful inside and out. Very, very nice truck. Steel cowl induction hood. Starts easy and runs down the road smooth. Truck's been done about 3 years. I sold it to a local businessman. He sold it back to me. I love the bed liner because it's painted on the sides, but there's bed liner just on the floor. It's done nicely all the way around. New back window, all new trim and molding on that. New weather strip all the way around the truck. New seat cover, charcoal gray. There's the jack handle. Speakers, black headliner, charcoal gray, door panel, seat cover, and dash pad. Very nice inside and out. Nice paint on the dash, all of that. It does need an AM/FM radio. I don't work on stereo, so I never put one in it. But the reflection is killer. Brand new BFGoodrich Radial TAs. Nice original rally wheels with restored trim rings and caps. Factory bumper, step bumper, beautiful. Really just a nice truck inside and out. I love the steel cowl hood on the truck, the factory grille and bumper. Backup lights, headlights, signal lights, wipers, horn, all that stuff works. Power locks work. Windows just zoom up and down. They work very well. All of the glass is new and very nice. It's a tilt column. It's got ice cold AC. Showing 59,216 miles. I'm sure that's inaccurate. Not sure what the miles are. It's sold as is with mileage exempt. But I do know every nut and bolt's been touched on the truck. She works flawlessly inside and out. Nice truck. Y'all come see us at RedlineMuscleCars.com or call Fred at 580-221-4326. Y'all have a blessed day. Thanks.